Ukrainian forces have counted more gains on the battlefield, with President Volodymyr Zelensky hailing more good news from the front lines in his nightly address Tuesday. Rapid and significant gains have been counted in Ukraine's counteroffensive in the south in particular, with advances in the Kherson region. Now, dozens of settlements have been liberated this week across 4 regions that Russia annexed last week, Zelensky said. Moscow's hold on annexed territories, Kherson, Zaporizhia, Luhansk and Donetsk, looks increasingly tenuous, with none of the regions fully occupied by Russian forces, and as Ukraine's counteroffensives in the east and south maintain their momentum. The U.S. has committed even more firepower to Ukraine's fight. The Biden administration announced another $625 million in military aid to Kyiv Tuesday. In a call with Zelensky, President Joe Biden said the U.S. would never recognize the illegal annexation attempts. Ukraine's Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov shared a video on Twitter of Ukrainian advances on the battlefield against Russian troops. While the Russian parliament is intoxicated from the futile attempts at annexation, our soldiers continue moving forward, Reznikov wrote on Twitter. This is the best answer to any and all referenda, decrees, treaties and pathetic speeches, he added. Russia's Ministry of Defense said it continues to hold positions in the regions of Kherson in southern Ukraine despite advances from Ukrainian forces. The MOD acknowledged that its units have been able to maintain their positions toward the south of the country despite repelling superior enemy forces' attacks. Russian President Vladimir Putin, whose forces look increasingly ill-equipped and outmaneuvered on the battlefield, is running out of options in the war in Ukraine, according to David Petraeus, a former CIA director and retired U.S. Army general. When asked what Putin's next move could be in Ukraine, whose armed forces are making significant gains in counteroffensives in the south and east of the country, Petraeus told CNBC's Hadley Gamble he believes Putin is literally out of moves. He's trying all these different desperate actions. But the fact is the reality that confronts Russia on the battlefield is that Ukraine has a vastly more capable and larger force than the country, Russia, that is more than 3 times their size. The reality on the battlefield now is desperate for Putin, he added.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.